Hello, my dear friends, and welcome to Golden Age Fashion. Let me ask you something from one wise woman to another. Have you ever put on a beautiful top, looked in that mirror, and thought, something feels a bit off? The color is lovely, the fabric is nice, but the whole outfit just doesn't feel like you. It doesn't feel chic. You know, after 60, the details become everything, and the wrong neckline can quietly shorten your neck, flatten your posture, and make even the most beautiful piece feel a little average. But here's the wonderful news. Today, I'm sharing 7 gentle style secrets, not hacks, but secrets, to help you look and feel absolutely radiant. We're using the beautiful pieces you already own. And pay special attention to secret number 4. It's the one elegant women use to look instantly more graceful without showing a single extra inch of skin. Shall we begin? Secret number 1. The collarbone lift. Here is one of the most powerful truths you will ever learn about style. When you show just a hint of your collarbone, your entire upper body looks lighter, longer, and more refined. That's why a soft V-neck is such a faithful friend. Not because it's trendy, but because it creates beautiful vertical space. It draws the eye gently up and down, not side to side. A soft V makes your neck look longer, your posture look prouder, and your shoulders look more delicate. Even a simple knit suddenly looks elegant when the neckline opens the chest just a little. If a top feels heavy or aging, try this. Stand before your mirror and gently pull the neckline open into the softest V. Watch how your face and posture instantly change. That's not magic, my dear. That's beautiful proportions, doing the work for you. Secret number 2. The open shirt revelation. You know that feeling. You put on a crisp button-down shirt. It's a classic. But you feel stiff, a little too serious. That has nothing to do with the shirt and everything to do with how we fasten it. Buttoned right to the top, it creates a hard line that can shorten the neck. But when we leave 1 or even 2 buttons undone, we create a soft V. That tiny opening creates space. It brings lightness to the face and a relaxed, confident energy that feels effortlessly chic. Suddenly, the same beautiful shirt feels French, stylish, and wonderfully you. You're not trying to be anything. You're simply letting your outfit and your spirit breathe. Secret number 3. Finding your scoop neck sweet spot. A beautiful scoop neck is one of the most flattering shapes you can wear. But the depth is everything. Too shallow and it can feel boxy. Too deep and it loses its elegance. The magic zone, just below the collarbone. Right there, it opens the chest without exposing it. When a scoop hits that sweet spot, it creates the illusion of a longer, more graceful neck and a softer, relaxed silhouette. A great scoop neck in a lovely knit or tee feels feminine, flattering, and quietly expensive. It's one of those beautiful details that makes someone think, "My, she looks wonderful today." You know, I would love to hear which neckline has been your lifelong friend. Is it the trusty V-neck or a beautiful boat neck? Tell me in the comments below. I read every single one, and it's my favorite part of the week. Now, let's continue. Secret number 4. The crew neck liberation. Crew necks are everywhere, and yet they can be the very reason an outfit starts to feel a bit heavy. A high, closed neckline puts all the visual weight right under your chin, but you don't need to get rid of them. Oh no, we just style them with wisdom. The secret? Break up that solid block of fabric, add a long flowing necklace, drape a soft scarf, throw on an open blazer. You are reintroducing length and movement. Suddenly, that same comfortable crew neck looks thoughtfully styled, not just basic. That one small change is often the difference between a nice outfit. And she has such wonderful style. Secret number 5, the timeless boat neck. Boat necks are the essence of quiet elegance. They gently open the neckline horizontally, showcasing your collarbones and the tops of your shoulders. This creates a beautiful, framing line for your face and makes your posture look wonderfully upright and open. It's a neckline that beautifully balances a fuller bust or softer arms. Even a simple striped boat neck tee can look profoundly chic, all because of that graceful, timeless shape. It feels quietly sensual, showing not more skin, but beautiful bone structure. Secret number 6, high necklines with grace. High necklines can be incredibly chic, but they must feel soft, not strict. The problem with a tight turtleneck is it can feel trapped. Instead, look for soft, ribbed knits, draped mock necks, gentle folds that cascade naturally. And then, always bring the light back to your face. A beautiful pair of earrings, a lovely lip color, a soft hairstyle. You want your neckline to frame your glorious face, not hide it. When a high neck is fluid, it looks graceful, modern, and deeply confident. Secret number 7, the harmony of necklace and neckline. This is the final touch that takes an outfit from dressed to deliberately beautiful. Your jewelry should converse with your neckline, not argue with it. A V-neck loves a pendant that follows that vertical line. A crew neck is liberated by a long flowing chain. A boat or scoop neck is adorned by a shorter piece that sits near the collarbone, framing your face. It's a small detail, but it changes everything, because when your jewelry and neckline are in harmony, the whole outfit looks elevated, intentional, and uniquely yours. So, there we are. 7 secrets to unlock the elegance in your own wardrobe. And the most beautiful part? You didn't need to buy a single new thing. This is about seeing what own with new eyes, with wisdom. It's about creating light, space, and intention around your face. Because looking and feeling expensive after 60 has nothing to do with price tags. It has to do with confidence, grace, and knowing these beautiful, subtle secrets. Now, I must ask you a favor, my dear friend. If this conversation brought you a little spark of joy or a new idea, would you please subscribe to Golden Age Fashion? By joining our community here, you're telling me you'd like more of these gentle conversations about style, wellness, and living beautifully. It would mean the world to have you with us. And before you go, tell me in the comments, which secret will you try first? Will you open a shirt or liberate a crew neck? I am so eager to hear. Thank you for spending this time with me. Until next time, remember to stand tall, embrace your wisdom, and shine in your own beautiful golden light. Take care.